Hello students, now I am going to explain experiment 5 from microcontroller and embedded system laboratory. The question is, write a program to find the square of a number from 1 to 10 using lookup table. Okay. So first we should know what is lookup table. Lookup table is a block of data that is held in the program memory and which can be accessed by the program, and it is used within the program only. Okay. So it is in the lookup table we have the square of numbers from 1 to 10. We have to just access that. For that we have to write the program. Okay. So this is the lookup table. Okay. So here the data are arranged: 0, square of 0, square of 1, 4, 9, 16, means square of 0 is 0, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 9, 4 16, square of 5 25, then 6 7 8 9 10. All the squares are arranged. These are decimal values, so but inside the memory we will be having hexa values only. Okay. So corresponding hexa values are 0, 1, 4, 9, 10, 19, 24, 31, 40, 51, 64. Okay. And as we all know, every data will be having the address. So in the next table we will see the address. Okay. So address is assumed 0 0 0 0 0 0 2 0 for the first data, which is nothing but square of 0, then 2 4 for the square of 1, 2 8 for square of 4, 2c for the square of 3, 3 0 for square of 4, 3 4 square of 5, 3 8 square of 6, 3c square of 7, 4 0 square of 8, 4 4 square of 9, 4 8 square of 10. Okay, so these are the addresses. Now we'll move to the program. This is the program. This will be the first line: area, session name, memory, and type of memory, area and start. Okay, so here we are this is a program to find the square of number 8. Okay, so you see the table, square of 8, which is nothing but 64, corresponding hexa value is 40. So square of 8 is 40, that is available in the address 0x00000040. Okay, so address of square of 8 is 40. We'll see the explanation of the program. First instruction, LDR load register R0 comma equal to table. So this is used to, here LDR is used to move the constant value. Table 1 starting address we have seen in the table 00000020, that is moved to R0 register. Next, LDR R1 equal to 8. Here also it is loading constant value. Constant value is 8. So here for 8 only we are going to find the square. Okay. Now, so starting address of lookup table we know already, and we have to reach out the location of square of 8. For that what we can do? Okay, so starting address is known. We have to reach out the location of square of 8. For that we are using move instruction with barrel shifter. Okay, so in move instruction we are having a logical left shift by 2 bits. Okay, so in this way first we have to perform this logical shift operation to R1 register. R1 register content is 8, that I converted into binary. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 8. All 32-bit binary values are here. We have to perform logical shift left. So left means and 2 bits we have to shift left. So in MSB side 2 bits we will be removing out. So in the LSB side 2 bits we have to insert. Okay, so once after the barrel shifter operation, the new value of R1 will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 2 0. This is the new value of R1. This new value of R1 will be moved to R1 register. Okay, using this move instruction. Okay, so once this complete insertion is done, R1 will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 2 0. Okay, now I have to reach out the location of square of 8. For that I have to add this address with the starting address of lookup table. Okay, starting address of lookup table is available with R0 register, and the square of 8 after the shift we found 20, that is available in R1 register. So these two I am adding. Okay, so both are 2020 only. So now my new R0 value is 00000040. Okay, now from that memory location I have to fetch the data. For that instruction is LDR R3 comma square bracket of R0. Okay, so R0 is written inside the square bracket. So now R0 is not data, R0 is memory. Okay, so from that memory, so as we have seen address in 40 we have square of 8. Okay, that we are moving to R3 register. Okay, so finally square of 8 will be available in R3 register as well as in this memory location. We can see the execution.
Okay students, here I have typed the program, square program, and after typing I have to save with .asm. I should add the file into target. Everything I did, so you can see here square is available in the source group, and I deleted that starter file also. After doing everything, you can build the target. 0 errors, 0 warning. Now you can debug it. Debug. Okay. Okay. So say in the first instruction, we are moving the table value to the R0 register. Table value we don't know. You can check the register. So we will run the program by step by step. So click on that. See in the first step we found the value table address. The first address of the lookup table is 000020. So now by using memory window you can find the data available in the memory. For that you have to do view memory window. Memory window, initially it will be like that, like this. So first we can check. Now you can check. Now we know the address of the lookup table, no? So you can type the address here 0x00000002. Sorry, 20. So you can see the first data is 32-bit zeros. So 000000. Next data is 000001. So first lower bit will be available. So here you can see 01000000. Next data is 0 followed by 004. So the first data 04. 04 is here. Next 000000. Next 9. 9 is here. Next 10. 10 is here. Next 19. 19 is here. 24 is here. 31, 40, 51, 64. Everything you can find here. So these are the input value. Now we will run the program. So first is over. See the program counter is pointing here. Now 8 R1 will get the value 8. R1 is 8. Next instruction R1. So when we do left shifting by 2 bit, we will get 20. We did it in the program 20. So it is 20. 20 is stored in R1 register. So you can see R1 is 20. Now add R0 comma R1. R1 is 20 because R0 is also 20. R1 is also 20. So when you add these two, you will get 40. That will be available with R0. So next time R0 will become 40. R0 is 40. Okay. Now you are storing the R3. Sorry, you are loading the register R3 from the content of R0. R0 we have found that it is 400040. So from that memory location we are moving the data to R0 register. So what we can do now, you can check the memory content. Now you see this means the output is available with the with this memory location. So you can check here, instead of 20 I am putting 40. See this is 40. See we know that the square of 8 is 64 decimal value. The corresponding hexadecimal value is 40. So this is available with this memory location. That memory location is 00000040. So in that memory location we can find 40. 40 0 0 0 0 0 0. So one more thing you can check. See, the 10 square of 10 is square of 10 is 64. That will be available with this is 40 na? Next address will be 44, next address will be 48. You can check 48. In 48 see 64 is available. In 44 you can find 51. Register value also you can check. See, R3. So from this memory, in memory you have 40 that moved to R3 register, so that it became red color. From the memory it moved to register, so only it became red color. So this is the execution part of finding square. Thank you.